I'm not even.
We know.
So there are a couple of things that are going on with you guys today because obviously we, for whatever reason, really struggle with the assignment on Friday. Not really sure. I know that the third one, you technically had to find an equation on both sides, but it's exactly like a two-step problem. Getting that variable on one side or the other. Okay? So raise your hand if you have submitted completely your assignment. There are 14 of you as of lunchtime. Okay, so you 14, I'm going to talk to you all in a second. Those of you who have not, you are working on that assignment, which the biggest problem with y'all kind of working on your own at this point is what's happening to all of your assignments in math class. What are they starting to do? Yes, they are starting to pile up, and now instead of have one or two, you're looking at 4 or 5 or 6. You have got to get better. You've got to time manage. I'm not over there. I am right here, so stop looking out the window. You've got to get better at managing your time. If you are struggling, yes, I know I wasn't here, and I apologize about that. But Gabriel sent me an email. Someone else, I forgot, Olivia, you sent me an email. Like, no, I didn't respond right away, but I did see those. And that's showing me, okay, at least your time. Y'all, I had one person. Cooper B was the only one who submitted anything within the class period. And there's no reason for that. There really isn't. Because it really is not that hard. So, those of you who did not have your hand raised or have not submitted, you're going to go find a space on your own, and you're going to work on your work from Friday. You are still going to be accountable or held accountable for the stuff for today. Okay? Now, I'm going to go over the assignment for today with everybody. In your notebook, you need to title it two-step equation. Or two-step equation and escape. So again, two-step equation, escape room, and then today's date, which is 4/24. And yes, even those of you who are not done with Friday's assignment, you still need to be writing this in your notebook. And I'm actually going to have to send somebody back because I forgot we need to. I'll do that in a minute. I'll do it in a minute. So, those of you who are ready to go and you're working on the escape room, you are going to get one of these. This is your answer sheet. This is what you're turning in when you're done with your escape room. Okay? So technically you have 4 questions. You're also going to get, and you're going to be working in, at the moment I'm going to do probably 2s, and I'm going to add people to your group as they finish. But you're going to get a stack of these cards. These cards are essentially they're questions. So it tells you what's going on. Then you have question number 1, you have question number 2, number 3, number 4, all go with essentially question number 1. Then you have question, I'm sorry, these are not in order. So the first question, the first 5, are all for one question. So these first 5 all go together. Okay? Then question number 2 is this. This is the one that you have to cut out. So that's why I said I forgot that you have to send you guys back to get some scissors. Question number 3 is this. And then question number 4 is on you'll have to put in your code. So I mean technically there's 5 questions for your escape room. There's not a lot for this escape room. Now, when you go onto campus, and this is what I wanted to show you guys. So when you go onto Canvas, you're going to see, and I apologize, it's small, but you're going to click on the link to your two-step equation escape room. It's gonna have the same information as that first card that tells you what's going on. You're gonna hit next. You have to put the answer that you get from your answer key in. This is how you know if you got it right. If you got it right and you put it in correctly, and it allows you to go to the next question, then you're good to go. But if you get it wrong and it says, sorry, try again, wrong code, then you know, okay, I need to go back and redo my work. Does that make sense? So you have to have your iPad because you're putting your answers in to check here to make sure you're getting it right. Does that make sense to you guys? So this is kind of like you're doing a self-check here to make sure that you are doing these all correct. And then once you get the answer for this one, we'll say, yes, you're good to go on to the next one, next one, next one. All right, are there any questions with the escape room for today? No, we're good? Awesome. Absolutely.
1,000.
It's just a two-step, nothing crazy. It's just practicing two steps. And I'll kind of give you a rundown of what this week's gonna look like. Tomorrow, you guys are playing math dominance. So again, that'll be kind of like we'll have to do two separate things where I give them their instruction in. But you're going to be playing with a partner, and that's again if you're done with your work prior to tomorrow. So you'll be playing math dominance with a partner tomorrow. Wednesday you'll be independently working on practice problems. There's spoon team that you're going to do independently, and then Thursday, this is going to be the hardest day of the week. You have your study guide. And I want to go over that with you guys. I'm not exactly sure how that's going to work. So what I might do is give you guys time to work on at the beginning of class, teach a lesson to them, and then we'll flip-flop, and then we'll go over the study guide with you guys together. And then you take your Unit 8 test on Friday, and that following Monday, you start EOG review. So, you guys are...
So that's just going back to the 6th grade.
Yeah. It'll just be 6th grade review only.
Okay.
What?
I forgot about it.
Yeah.
Because I haven't done any. Because we didn't do them in like 3rd grade. I don't know.
We didn't do 3rd or 4th.
No, we did 4th grade. Why didn't you do 4th grade? We didn't. I did 4th grade.
Yes, we did.
Yeah, I did 4th grade.
We didn't do 3rd grade because that was
Yeah, we didn't do 3rd grade. We did do 4th grade.
Cooper. Just because you're not on planet Earth all the time doesn't mean
Right, Charlie?
Yeah, bro.
Why you on 3rd? That was like,
I don't remember.
had a whole
So,
celebration.
all right, Hush. Are there any questions about both assignments that are happening today? So, if you need to work on Friday's stuff, I need you to go find a quiet place independently, not around anybody you're going to be talking to. The two of you need to find somewhere close to me. You can sit at this table and Andy can sit at this table.
Okay, so this is